How to add poll to Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your story option at the top of the screen and simply select on the story option. And now you can just click a random picture. And as I click a picture, you can just click a picture over here and then tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen over here. So tap on the sticker icon, and as you do that you can see the option of poll over here. So tap on the poll option and here you can just ask a question. So let's add a question. So you can add the options over here. You can add as many options as you want. I'm going to just tap on done over here, and now you can just tap on your stories, and that's how you can add poll to Instagram story. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.